Hey guys, welcome back to 7.2 example 2. Now we are finding the volume of the solid generated by revolving the region bounded by the graphs of the equations about the line x equals 5. So now we're not rotating about an axis, we're rotating about a line. X equals 5, which is still doable. So y equals 3 minus x, and y equals 0, and y equals 2. So let me sketch that region. That's the same as negative x plus 3. So I'm going to start at 3 and go down, down, down to here actually, and then y equals 2. So this is 3 minus x, and then y equals 2 is here, and then y equals 0 is here, and x equals 0 is here. So this is the region bounded by those curves, right? It's the region bounded by the curves. So I'm rotating about the line x equals 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X equals 5 is about here. It's a vertical line. So let's see, if I tried to reflect that, we would have shape that looked something like that. And then this reflected across the line would be the same. And then here, this would shoot up here. And you see now this rotation shape has a big hole in it. So now this is an example where I am going to need to do a washer. So let me show you. Here is my big radius. Here's my little radius right there. And then here is my big circle radius here. And if I draw my height, I see that this is a change in y. So not only do I need to do the washer method here, but I also need to do this as a function of y. So be very, very careful as you watch me explain this volume. So remember, volume of a washer is pi times the integral of big R squared minus little r squared dy. And this is going to be from 0 to 2 in terms of y, if I fill those up infinitely from 0 to 2. So my big radius, right? Remember, over here is my reflection. That is not my function. My big radius goes from here to here. This is 5 minus 0. So no matter where I am, my big radius is 5 squared. Right? No matter where I am, this radius is 5. Now my little radius, right minus left, is 5 minus this function as a function of y. So I need to solve this equation for in terms of y. So I have y minus 3 equals negative x. X equals 3 minus y. So minus 3 minus y dy. So my big radius, right minus left. My left here is 0. My right here is 5. 5 minus 0. That's how I got my big radius. And my little radius is right minus left. 5 minus this function in terms of y. It's going to change. 3 minus y. Oops, sorry about that. So 5 squared minus little r squared. So I need to simplify this and integrate. So let's go on to the next video for that.